VectorWorks has two main methods of connecting your plant to a plant database. Under Landmark on the menu bar, there's a Choose Plant Source. So here's the plant data source. There's two different methods. There's the plant catalog or the plant database. The plant database is a FileMaker Pro based system, which is a more graphic system. The plant catalog is a text-based system. It's very quick to get access to the information. So I'm going to choose the plant catalog. And once you've chosen which method you want to use, when you're creating or editing your plants, you can then grab the information from your plant catalog. So there it is there. If I want to choose a different Dianella, I can choose a different one, click OK. It'll update the information for me, click OK, and it'll update my drawing straight away. So that's a great way of getting information from the VectorWorks plant database into your drawings. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Now there's a much longer detailed explanation of the plant database on my website. So if you're interested in getting the most effective VectorWorks training, check out school.com/JonathanPickup. Thanks for watching.